This is David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, and to watch over 600 videos that can save your life on emergency preparedness, go to ldsprepper.com. My wife and I just landed here in South Africa. We're here in the AC Marriott Hotel, and we're getting ready to set up our water filter. Now, no one said there's any problem with the water, but we always filter our water at home and when we're traveling. I've got my Berkey Sport bottle that I always travel with. That's here I keep on in my backpack. So we've got that. We've had since we left yesterday, and now we're setting up the Berkey Travel. This fit perfectly on our checked baggage. So I've taken it out of the box, saved the time of me, putting screws in. I just put the spigot in here, just screws in just easily. Now, and then I just put the knob on the top here. Used a pair of fingernail clippers because I can't find my Leatherman. I saw it when I unpacked, but you know how it is. Anyway, so now it's time to prime the Berkey water filters. Typically at home, I would simply take the gray washer that comes in the bag, the box with the filters. But as you can see here, I can't get underneath the sink. So with all the Berkey water filters that I sell as an authorized dealer, we include this little device. So I'll put this underneath the faucet right here, attach the Berkey right into this little hole, push that on, and now I'm going to hold this up around the nozzle and just turn on cold water at a low pressure, and I'm just going to hold this in case the pressure wants to shoot the filter off of this little connection here. Just want to, oh, that's way too much pressure. Okay, so you can see here, it is the Berkey is now completely primed. It's now heavy, and I need to turn this off before this it blows up on me. I'm gonna let that pressure die down for a second here. But that's all it took. That's as fast as it goes to prime a Berkey filter. Okay, so that Berkey filter is primed. This sets it up so it can filter water quickly. And now I will take this and install it inside the Berkey. But I'm going to do that to the other one here. Take it out of the container. It's literally this fast. I take off the wing nut because I don't need that on there. And it's nice and snug. Whether you're at home or traveling, whatever you need, you can use this little adapter. It's a great little device. It makes priming the Berkey water filters really easy. Just don't put the water up too high. Got it on cold. It's sweating. I'm waiting for it to sweat all the way around. Okay, it's completely primed now. If you look down here in the sink, you can see this maybe a little kind of grayish water. That's just kind of getting some of the manufacturing dust out of the filter too. And now I'm ready to assemble my Berkey and start filtering perfectly safe, healthy water thousands of miles away from home. So you can do it right here at home, or you can do it in South Africa or wherever you want to be able to drink safe, healthy water. And we always travel with our Berkey system, and I recommend you do the same thing too. Okay, you can hear how fast it's filtering. It's filtering very fast. That's because I fully saturated the filter with water. So I'm going to go through 2 tanks of water in here, and I'll throw that in the sink because I don't want to drink that. That just kind of cleans out the filters from any manufacturing dust. And then the third batch we will start drinking. And we'll just keep this here in the bathroom on the edge so we can get clean, healthy water. Found the Leatherman in my underwear drawer, of course. If you'd like to get the best price on guaranteed authentic Berkey products, go to ldsprepperstore.com. This is LDS Prepper reminding you, if ye are prepared, ye shall not fear. Even when you're traveling and have unknown water sources, you can be drinking safe, healthy water.